In this video, I'm going to be telling you all about email automations. There are two types of email automation. Firstly, email sequences. These are a series of personalized emails triggered by events along the customer journey. And autoresponders. These are generic emails that go out based on rules. For example, when someone subscribes to a newsletter, they will receive a welcome email. Autoresponders and email sequences are similar but have specific differences. The main difference is that an autoresponder email is a single email sent you to an action taken on the site. In contrast, an email sequence is a series of emails personalized to the customer's journey. The purpose of an automated email sequence is to nurture leads and promote sales. With the right sequence, you can increase customer retention and engagement by sending customers post-purchase, loyalty and re-engagement sequences. Email sequences are highly scalable, with your email software doing all the hard work. Instead of sending emails individually, you have to set it once and launch the campaign. This slide shows an example abandoned cart email flow. On a website, an item is added to a cart. Question now is, was the order completed? So if it was completed, then the customer is removed from the flow, it's success. If it's not, then they're added to this abandoned cart flow. The flow waits a few hours and then asks the question, has the customer returned to complete the order? If they have, they're removed from the flow. If not, they're sent the first of a series of abandoned cart emails. Then wait another 2 days. Has the customer completed the order? Yes, removed from the flow. No, send them another email. Then wait another few days. Has the customer returned to complete the order? Yes, removed from the flow. No, abandoned cart emails. Sending an email flow like this will significantly decrease the number of customers that have abandoned your cart. There are several advantages to email sequences. They save time, they nurture leads, they create excitement about your product. You can segment the audience by using decision trees. It creates relevant emails based on the customer's journey. And it's great for growing sales in an automated way. There are a number of popular and successful email sequences that every e-commerce store should implement. These include abandoned cart emails, welcome series, re-engagement flows, and cross-sell upsell flows. An abandoned cart sequence emails customers who added the product to a cart but never paid for it. It is one of the email series with the highest conversion rate. If you do not have it in your site, you're leaving money on the table. A simple abandoned cart sequence would be: remind customers they've left a product in the cart, send a follow-up email with a discount, and then increase a discount or send an alternative product recommendation. On the right here, we have the abandoned cart flow, which is available in Mailchimp. Here's an example abandoned cart email, which is sent by the company 𝒂𝒐𝒊𝒏. This email shows clearly what the email is about. There's a message here about asking if you're still thinking over your purchase. It shows the item which was left in the cart to remind you, and there's a clear call to action here. A welcome series introduces new subscribers to your business and its products and services. It aims to create a long-term relationship with customers. Triggers for a welcome series include signing up for a newsletter, downloading an ebook, or a free trial of your product. Here is an example welcome flow email. The first email should land in the inbox immediately after they take action. It is a chance to introduce yourself and make a good impression. In the second email, you turn your attention to them to create engagement, for example by asking a question, asking for feedback, or taking a survey. This email should be no more than a day after the first email. You should send your third email within a few days of the second email. In this email, you send through content which is most relevant to their point in the sales cycle. Fourth email sent a few days later was a soft sell, for example introducing complementary products or services. The final email should arrive between 7 and 10 days after sending your first and include calls to action relevant to your business. Again, on the right-hand side here is a welcome flow which is available in Mailchimp. Here's an example welcome email by a company called Food52. It's telling them very clearly what they can expect from Food52 and has a clear call to action here to get started. A re-engagement email sequence aims to attract customers back to your website. For example, if you've not heard from customers in a while or they've not purchased recently, you can send this sequence to remind them about your business. Most businesses, including service and e-commerce businesses, can use re-engagement sequences. For example, an e-commerce company could send a re-engagement email sequence offering a discount to customers who have not purchased in the last 90 days or a few months. So this email here is a very clear email with a clear call to action and a clear reason to click through, which is a discount, a 20% discount on their next purchase. So this could be sent to customers who have purchased in the past, haven't purchased in a while, and may be attracted back by offering a discount. Finally, upsell and cross-sell emails. Email sequences can be used to upsell and cross-sell to people who have purchased from you recently. Systems like Mailchimp can make recommendations automatically based on the purchase history. For example, an e-commerce business can send out product suggestions based on past purchases, including an image of the product with the price and a list of the key benefits and features. This email here, they purchased something in this range perhaps, and it's sending me examples of other products in this range, prices, pictures, clear calls to action, clear pictures of the products, in the hope that the customers will see something similar to what they bought in the past and will click through to the website and purchase.